Hey Tony. Good morning. Good morning. Hey Nunu. Hello Nunu. Yeah. So what bike shall we take? This is the Honda SL. It's a dirt bike. Or shall we take the Honda Dream? What do you think? Yes, you pissed against the Honda Dream, huh? Well, maybe we should take this one. This one is cool. I love this one. This is the Honda Bentley. It's a little bit wet with some rain. Okay. Uppata. Good morning, landlady. Yes, she's so well trained. She did some poo-poo there. Okay, thank you. Huh. Oh, the road is it's getting better, but it's still so bad. And I'm suffering from a tropical cough, so it hasn't been raining in 2 days, so that means that the road is now all right, not too bad. When it rains, it's really slippery mud with deep tracks, and it's really dangerous. Well, that's what you get when you live in a third world country like me. Hello, good morning. It's a bit bumpy, but I think the GoPro will cancel that out with the anti-shock software. They're trying to improve this bit of road, but the rocks are so big that it's really difficult to drive. Oh gosh, I really need to wear a sports bra to be able to drive here. Until 2 days ago, this bit was one big pool, but they filled it up nicely. Yeah, this is getting better. But I wish they would put some concrete on this part as well, because they already did so a year ago with this. This is concrete, and this used to be mud, and now it's concrete, and that's so much better. It's such a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Now we get on to National Highway Kampot. Well, as you can see, there are no real traffic rules here. The advice is to drive on the right side here in Cambodia, so most people do most of the time, but not always, not even me. I sometimes drive on the left if it's easier. And if you follow European rules, you'll get into an accident. They don't work here. You just need to go with the flow. if you're scared, you just honk your horn. Excuse me, sir. And lots of people are scared of this bridge. This is, people lose their toes on this bridge. It's very dangerous. Busy today, even though it's Sunday. Normally this is really very busy. Hello. I always feel like a movie star here. Everybody's, well, not everybody, but many people saying hello. Hello, hello, hello. Beautiful Kampot. Oh, and my suspension is making a lot of noise. It's new. Let's go to the left. It's my laundry service on the left. Go, go, go. The roundabouts are crazy here. I can't believe that not more people get killed on roundabouts. Okay, thank you. Bumpy road. Hej Blackie! Hej hondje! It's so fun. This bike elicits so many smiles and thumbs up. I'm so happy. Even the dogs like it. I'm so happy. You know, if you can't impress people with your looks anymore, you just need to buy a really nice bike. Look at this. Dogs, and no pissing on the bike, right? Yeah, they smell our dogs. Let me see if this take the GoPro off. I hope it worked. This is a nice bike, isn't it? Honda Bentley 100cc, 1996, recently fully restored and compact.